During the Babylonian captivity, King Nebuchadnezzar ordered everyone to bow down to a golden image. Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, faithful to God, refused to worship the idol. Enraged, King Nebuchadnezzar ordered them thrown into a fiery furnace. But God protected them, and they walked unharmed in the midst of the fire. Witnessing this miracle, King Nebuchadnezzar praised God and acknowledged his power. The story of Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego reminds us of God's faithfulness and protection for those who remain faithful. Please subscribe and follow for more contents like these.